segment with some breaking inputs coming in. All right, we are learning that Solicitor General Tushar Mehta has written a strongly worded letter to the Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla stating that Yasin Malik's presence in the Supreme Court today was a matter of grave security lapse, since the convicted terrorist could have escaped or could have even been killed while being brought to the court. This is what Tushar Mehta has had to say. For more details, let's quickly go across to Ananya Bhatnagar. Ananya, the Solicitor General has also alluded to an order that was passed by the Ministry of Home Affairs with regards to how Yasin Malik should not be brought to court, and this indeed is a gross violation of that order.
Well, definitely, Akansha. The Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta, has now written to Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla with regards to how, Yasin Malik was brought to the court without even a court's order being there to actually to produce him before it. And in fact, the Supreme Court too expressed a displeasure over how Yasin Malik was brought to the court even without a court's order. So now Mr. Mehta has said in his letter that, anything could have happened to Yasin Malik. He is a very high-risk prisoner. He could have been killed, or he could have, escaped. And since he's a national threat, he's somebody who's been convicted into terror cases, who's serving a life sentence, in fact, into a case relating to terror financing, is somebody who's a very, very high-risk prisoner. In fact, the whole case in which he had actually come before the topmost court of the country is with regards to how, a Jammu court had sought for in fact, a production warrant of Yasin Malik, but the center is completely opposing it, saying that, he is a national threat, and if at all he's been taken to the state of Jammu and Kashmir, there could be unrest that could happen. Now, what is very, very important to note also is that our colleague Anshu Singh has just brought to our focus a few hours ago is that the Tihar DG2 has ordered for an inquiry into this particular case as to how Yasin Malik was taken out of the jail, even without any court's order or any particular order coming in. So definitely an inquiry now has been ordered into this particular case, and along with that, the Solicitor General, writing to Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla, has given out, a very, very big problems for, in fact, the Tihar jail authorities, and also, in fact, big questions being raised to how such a high-risk prisoner can be, allowed to go out without any kind of a particular order coming in from the court of law.
Absolutely. Many questions to be answered as of now. We'll keep tracking this story. Many thanks to you, Ananya Bhatnagar.